Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina Firdaus binti Muhammad Sandy. My nickname is Sebi. So, today I want to talk about a book named The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe is the first book of the Chronicle of Narnia series. It's the story about four siblings, Peter, Susan, Edmund, and Lucy, who are moved to the country house during World War II. While exploring the house, Lucy discovered a magical wardrobe that leads to the land of Narnia, where she meets a fox named Mr. Tumnus. In Narnia, the children join force with Aslan, the great lion, to defeat the evil White Witch and bring peace to the land. What I love about this book, I absolutely love this book. The adventure is exciting. I couldn't wait to see what will happen next. The world of Narnia is full of surprise and magic, and I like how the characters work together to save the day. Aslan is a brave and wise and lion, and I think he's the best character in the whole book. The story also teaches lessons about courage, friendship, and standing up for what's right. Who should read this? This book is perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 who love adventure and magic. It's great for readers who enjoy stories that with animals that talk and magical land like Harry Potter and the Wizard of Oz. Even if you're a little older, you'll still enjoy this book. My favorite part is when Aslan sacrificed himself for Edmund to save Narnia. It's so brave and it brings all kinds of emotion. How the reaction of the all children is amazing when they finally see Aslan back again. Conclusion of the story: if you love fantasy book with magic and animals that talk and epic battle between good and evil, you will love The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. It's a timeless story that you can read that again and again. This review keeps the language simple, engaging, and focus on the story key themes, while being easy for kids like me to understand. That's all for me. Thank you for listening.